It's present time!
What?
No, Earl. He's been terrible all day. He doesn't deserve any more presents.
Dear Fran, you know so little about raising children. Son, this present is only for good little boys. You can have it if you promise to be good.
I'll be good. I promise.
It's not right, Earl, bribing a child to behave.
And if it works,
It's a short-sighted, stopgap, quick-fix solution.
you don't have to sell me on it. Here, son, look. A car!
A car! Oh, boy!
Come on.
Gee, Dad, you never bribed me with anything neat like that.
You were never rotten enough to deserve it.
Vroom, 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 bam, vroom, vroom.
Nothing will calm a child faster than playing with some shiny new toy. You see, he's happy. All it takes is a little child psychology.
What's going on? Here I come! Run, run,
Well, that worked like a charm.
Again!